Our thoughts significantly contribute to the reality we perceive. The way we think and interpret events shapes our perception of the world around us. Our thoughts act as filters through which we process information and experiences, influencing how we perceive and make sense of the external reality. When we have positive and optimistic thoughts, we tend to notice and focus on the positive aspects of our environment, leading us to perceive a more positive reality. Conversely, if we harbor negative and pessimistic thoughts, we are more likely to notice and magnify the negative aspects, creating a more negative perception of reality. Our thoughts also affect our emotions, which further influence our perception. For example, if we are feeling happy and content, our thoughts are more likely to be positive, and we perceive the world through a positive lens. On the other hand, if we are feeling sad or angry, our thoughts may become negative, and we interpret events in a more negative light. Moreover, our beliefs and preconceived notions shape our thoughts, which in turn shape our reality. Our beliefs act as filters through which we interpret information, selectively noticing and accepting evidence that aligns with our existing beliefs. This selective attention and interpretation reinforce our perception of reality and may even create self-fulfilling prophecies. It is important to recognize that our thoughts are not objective representations of reality, but rather subjective constructions influenced by our beliefs, emotions, and past experiences. By becoming aware of our thoughts and actively challenging negative or limiting ones, we can shift our perception of reality and create a more positive and empowering experience. Through cultivating positive and constructive thinking patterns, we can influence our perception of reality and ultimately shape the quality of our lives.